Okay, so welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the definite articles. As you know that in English the definite article is the, but in French this the is divided into four different kinds as a definite article. First is le, which is le, la, l post le, and it is often pronounced in liaison with the word following that. And then the fourth one is le, which is used for plurals. Le, le is used for masculine. La is used for feminine. L post is used with vowel and the letter alphabet H. And then les, lay, is used for plural, either masculine or feminine. Now how do we identify which word is masculine and feminine? So there comes the 75% rule. So which means that whatever word is ending with E, that counts as a feminine if we don't know, and if we are saying this is a new word and it is ending with E, which that will be a feminine word, and rest would be the masculine. So here it ends with E, that's why it's feminine. It doesn't end with E, it's masculine. And then this one, L post, right? So it is always used when the first letter of the word is starting with the vowel or H. Okay, la home, la kul, right? And then les is a plural which is used when we are talking about plural objects. L'enfant, le pomme, which means pomme means apples. One pomme is apple, but when s is used here it becomes plural. Here s is used, it became plural. So les we use it with the plural. So these are all the types of definite articles that are used in French. In English, usually the meaning of these words are the. So in the next video I'm gonna talk about indefinite articles. So stay tuned, and if you want some exercises you can leave the comment below and I'll try to send it to you however it is possible. Thanks, bye.